Are you looking to freshen up your current makeup routine? Here is a new everyday makeup look that's perfect for the upcoming fall season. Before we begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Alright, let's start with the first step, applying a primer. I'm reaching for the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer, my fall season go-to. It's super lightweight, sheer, and a breeze to blend, giving your skin that luminous finish you love. For the foundation, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation. It's got this weightless, ultra-blendable formula that kind of just melts into your skin, leaving you looking all naturally lit from within. After applying the foundation, if I see any pesky imperfections peeking through, I reach out for the Lakme Absolute Instant Airbrush Concealer Pen. It's super lightweight and gives that airbrushed filter-like finish. Then I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Loose Finishing Powder only on the T-zone area, as I want the sides of the face to still remain dewy. For the eye look, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoke and Glam. To start, I'll apply the pumpkin shade to cover both the eyelids and the crease area. Next, I'll gently apply a light layer of the brown shade exclusively on the eyelids. Finally, I'll use the dark brown shade as an eyeliner by wetting an angled brush and then dipping it into the eyeshadow. As for the lower lash line, I'll blend both eyeshadow shades seamlessly. Additionally, I will apply the brown kajal on the waterline. Now let's quickly complete this eye look with the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. Just wiggle and swipe. This mascara adds length and curls my lashes at the same time without appearing clumpy. To enhance my facial features, I've got the Lakme Absolute Facelift Palette in the shade Sun-Kissed Glow. This palette includes a nourishing bronzer, a buildable blush, and a cushion soft highlighter. They're incredibly lightweight and have rich pigmentation and blend like a dream. For the lipstick, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte to Glass Liquid Lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar. This lipstick duo gives you a matte lipstick on one side and a glossy lipstick on the other. You can wear them separately or combine them for a stunning glossy colored lip look that won't smudge. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to give this new everyday makeup look for fall a try. Before you leave, like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!